the ultimate way to clean and care for beautiful feet. No more awkward bending or balancing. Shower Feet sticks to the base of your shower or bath, helping you to clean and look after your feet without having to bend. With over 1,000 deep cleansing bristles, you can gently clean, massage and exfoliate dry, callous skin for gorgeous-looking feet you'll be proud of. Shower Feet also has a built-in pumice stone to remove rough and cracked heel and revitalized from heel to toe. You can even pour your favorite bath or shower gel into the cleverly designed micro holes for an invigorating foot spa experience. Sit back and relax and enjoy a blissful foot massage that will leave your feet feeling soft and smooth. No more awkward bending or balancing. Shower Feet attaches to any shower or bath and is ideal to use after sports or working out. The deep cleansing bristles can help eliminate foot odor and prevent athlete's foot by getting in between your toes and scrubbing all those hard-to-reach areas. Shower Feet is designed to fit any shape or size foot, so it's ideal for the whole family to enjoy.